overall cordless stick vacuum. Of course, the excellent cordless stick vacuum cleaner has to come from Dyson, which continues to innovate its vacuums year after year. However, the one that provides the most bang for the buck is the V8 and choose for the Absolute, which offers a range of attachments to get a definitely deep clean, while the Dyson V6 and V7 are exceptional cleaners in their very own right. The V8 has a high-quality extensive appeal. You get up to 40 minutes of runtime, a washable filter, and effective suction. Dyson's older models, which consist of the V8, are continuously on sale, so it is effortless to scoop a proper deal on this model. And if you were searching for an even larger deal, go refurbished. Dyson refurbs are licensed to run excellent as new, and you will keep yourself a great chunk of change. The main specifications of this cordless stick vacuum cleaner are: runtime 40 minutes, dustbin capacity 0.14 gallon, weight 5.75 kilos. Now, let's move towards the second option and check what we have at this number. Number 2, Dyson V15 Detect, considered one of the best stick vacuums. The V15 Detect is Dyson's modern-day cordless stick vac, and additionally, it is most extra. The Element has a laser in its head. The laser slim fluffy cleaner head makes use of a green mile to illuminate dirt particles as small as the measurement of human red blood cells that are bare to the human eye. Watching these tiny particles get sucked up to makes vacuuming exceptionally satisfying, like an IRL model of Space Invaders. In addition to letting you know how the V15 Detect is performing, it applies a technique called acoustic piezo sensors, which affect the vibrations of dirt being sucked up into electrical signals, enabling it to communicate how many particles you sucked up to you. It's then displayed to you via the LCD display. We advise you this Element was once extra. The main features of this Dyson V15 Detect are the following: runtime 60 minutes, dustbin capacity 0.2 gallon, weight 6.8 pounds. Now, it's time for the third option. Let's see what we have. Number 3, Timeco A10 Hero, considered the best affordable stick vacuum. Timeco's entry-level vacuum provides simply about the entirety you want from a vacuum. It is one of the lightest devices I examined, a little underneath 3 pounds, high-powered, and convenient to clean. The motor is additionally supremely quiet, even though our tester mentions that the wheels of the brush head make an awesome sound towards tough floors, while the sketch of the vacuum potential might not lie flat against the floor. So you can clean totally under furniture. Our tester said it worked well on both hardwood and linoleum floors, as well as on rugs. The main features of this stick vacuum are following: runtime 25 minutes, dustbin capacity 0.11 gallon, weight 5 pounds. Number 4, Samsung Jet 90, considered the best vacuum stick for big rooms. Samsung's cordless stick vacuums are the latest additions to the product category, and its Jet 90 is a valuable competitor to high-end stick vacs, like these from Dyson. As our tester says, it has good suction, which includes more than one power range and many unique attachments that make it convenient to clean simply about any floor in the house. The battery has a 60-minute runtime, and buying a spare battery capacity you can cost one whilst nevertheless vacuuming to actually doubling your runtime. This vacuum has a fairly large dirt container with a capacity of nearly 3.5 cups, as well as being quite lightweight, nearly 6 pounds. So your arm's fatigue will be minimized when vacuuming, as well as reaching overly large surfaces is less difficult. The specific features of this Samsung Jet 90 include: runtime 60 minutes, dustbin capacity 0.21 gallon, weight 6.17 pounds. Now, let's discuss the fifth one, and look what we have at number 5. Also, do comment to me about the one which you used at your home. Number 5, Shark One Vac System, considered best stick vacuum especially for pet hairs. This lightweight, compact stick vacuum provides exceptionally appropriate suction for its size. It has a Star Trek design, as our tester noted, and it actually is glossy with a retro sci-fi look. Seamlessly transition between carpets and difficult flooring thanks to Shark's Power Fins technology, which is additionally simply actually appropriate for choosing up all kinds of crap. The sole trouble with this vacuum is its tiny dirt bin, which has a half-cup capacity. If you vacuum regularly, you may find that this is enough dirt storage. However, if you vacuum only when the carpet's color begins to shift. As our tester reports, you may find yourself walking to the garbage can a lot more often than you think. The main features of this Shark Wand vac are the following. Runtime, 16 minutes. Dustbin capacity, 0.3 gallon. Weight, 5.8 pounds. Number 6. Dyson Omni Glide, considered best stick vacuum for hard surfaces. Dyson's Omni Glide is the first vacuum from the company to eschew the set-off for a push button, which already makes this vacuum simpler to use. The brush head swivels 360 degrees and it sucks up dust in all directions. The twin gentle brush rollers are splendidly slick on challenging floors, and the vacuum itself glides on a hard flooring like it is on skates. Converting the vacuum into a handheld vacuum is exceptionally simple, and we're a massive fan of how the vacuum can get parallel to the ground for achieving beneath the furniture. The Omni Glide is not proper for use on carpets or rugs, so do not get this if you stay in a domestic it really is usually carpeted. The main features of the Dyson Omni Glide vacuum cleaner are the following. Runtime, 20 minutes. Dustbin capacity, 0.5 gallon. Weight, 4.18 pounds. I hope you like all of these 6 shared vacuum cleaners. If yes, then make sure to like and share with your friends. You can choose any of them depending on your needs. And if you have one, then share its review with us. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel as much as you can until the next video. We'll be back soon. Links of all the shared vacuum cleans are given in the description box, so you can check them for further details if you need so.